Alright, YouTube. Bought me a blade for my weed whacker. It came off of Amazon. And a big Troy belt. Nice. Anyways, there's my cameraman. His name's Chance. He's gonna be doing all the filming today. Anyways, I'm gonna get this bad boy fired up. Now, this thing's set for 3 years. I guarantee you it'll start on the first one. Huh? I tell you. When you're using this, you need no safety gear at all. You wear your tennis shoes and your short breeches. No eyewear. What's the point in eyewear? That just hurts your eyes worse if you can't see. Absolutely no protection. Crap, I was left the garden away, didn't I? Here goes Chance doing it. Oh, he's good at that. That is a tough tree. It's still going. What do you think about that? Well, yeah, I believe you're supposed to do it up a hill in the first place. We'll take it over here where it's more flat. It's a little more flat. And we'll try her out there. Well, I'll brush some of this with my tractor. Just throw it up just a little bit. I'll see what it can do. Like I said before, you need no eyewear, you need nothing. This is as safe as it can be. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to let Chance try it out. He's going to saw a few of these down. Start her up. you can see, it gets lodged a time or two. I think the best approach is to get it going and then stick it in the tree and cut it like butter. I'm gonna try to approach to where you get her going first and then try to cut it. Yes, sir. I believe that approach works a lot better. What do you think about it?
That's pretty good.
Would you buy it?
Yes, I would.
Well, I believe it's pretty good. I'd put a 5 out of 5 on your what's it called? Website. That's what it's called. But you gotta be careful. It'll get lodged. It's a pretty good blade. Now, like I said, you need no eye protection. You need none of that crappy protection. Okay? It's best without it, because when you got it, you're so safe. If something happens, you're not going to be safe. Okay? Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Like and subscribe and comment. I was wanting to say in that video how I said you didn't need eyeglasses and stuff. I was just joking around. The real reason I didn't have none on, because I couldn't find none. I need to go to the store and get me some, I reckon. Well, which is much stuff didn't go in my eyes anyway, so I didn't figure I'd need them. But yeah, out of all seriousness, always put your protective gear on.